Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jewlz MUA here. Before we go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jewlz MUA family. We're on the road to 1K, so please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend to tell a family member. Once we're at 1K, there will be a giveaway. So this Boots box contains my makeup haul products, there with some products, new old mixture, and I'll be showing you guys as I go along. So to prime my eyes, I'm going to take my Be Perfect primer, and this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to place this on my eyelids just like that. I'm going to blend this product out using my Peaches and Cream brush. I'm just going to blend this out in a patting motion. And this brush is the Peaches and Cream PC18 brush. Today's palette, I'll insert a picture right here of the palette that I'll be using because the palette is really and truly very heavy. But it has been my go-to eyeshadow palette of lately, especially if I want that neutral glam type of look. I do tend to use this palette quite often, and this palette is the P. Louise Cancelled palette. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Problematic. And I'm just gonna pat this on the outskirts. And this is going to be a non-cut crease type of eye look today. So I'm just patting this down. And this is technically in a C motion, but I'm not taking it all the way in. The next shade I'm going to take is Cancelled right here. And that's a nice little light brown shade. And I'm just blending out the edges of the Problematic color, just to give me that gradient look. And then to finish off this eye look, very quick and simple, I'm gonna take a shimmering color because it's gonna be a soft glam. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and it's a shimmering shade called Public Beverly Hills Duo Brush. And because I want it diffused, I'm just taking this brush. Something quick and simple. I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Lifeline, and this would be my second purchase of this. I really do love this duo liner, both liquid and pencil. I really do it. Boots had a sale of 20% off on premium products, so I had to get it. So I'm gonna take the liner side, and I feel for a dramatic eyeliner, so I'll proceed to do that. The next thing I will be taking is my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Face Base, and I've been loving the effect it's been giving. I can see where the hype is coming from this product. It's meant to be a moisturizer and primer 2-in-1, but I mainly use it as a moisturizer. And trust me, this thing smells so good. I did pick this up from Look Fantastic, and I got it on sale for I think 20 or 25% off. And to prime my skin, I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite, which is the Huda Beauty Water Jelly Primer. And this one is my all-time favorite. I use it religiously on my channel now. So yeah. The next thing I'll be taking out of my Boots box would definitely have to be the Huda Beauty Fox Filter Luminous Foundation. I finally got my hands on it, and this is exactly what it looks like. And the shade that I did pick up is a Peanut Butter Cup, and this is 455R, which stands for red. It's meant to be golden red. I'm usually 500G, which that G stands for golden, but apparently her shades do not correlate across the border with all her foundation shades. So I did pick up Peanut Butter. I hope it is my correct shade. If not, then yikes. The packaging looks the same as the original. I went through literally 5 bottles since that launch, so I'm head over heels for her face products, I'm not gonna lie. So I had to pick up this and see what the hype's about on this foundation. And the brush that I'm using is my Peaches and Cream PC08 brush. Yeah, as I was saying about the 500G, it was looking a bit olive on those who I've seen use it, and that was not looking pretty at all, but they did finesse it in the end. But this is not looking too red, but you guys can comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this color on me. I'm just patting this in for maximum coverage. This foundation is looking beautiful so far. It does look like it went right into my complexion. You guys can definitely comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this shade match. As I said, usually I'm 500G in this foundation, and it has dried down really matte, but a more comfortable matte, but it has dried down completely. Next thing I'll be taking is my Fenty Beauty Bright Fix, and this one is in the shade Almond Butter number 12. I'm just gonna apply. Ooh, I always forget how liquid this is. Oh my goodness. For this product, I will definitely let it sit for a bit. It does have a water-based consistency to it, so for a bit of coverage, it's still gonna be lightweight, but for a bit of coverage, I'm gonna just let that sit. In the meantime, I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Tantour in medium, and I'm gonna cream contour. I'm just gonna take this just like so. Not gonna put any out there because I don't want to mess up my lace. And I'm gonna blend that out with my Morphe E8 brush. I'm just in a patting motion, I'm blending that out. To blend out my bright fix, I'm gonna use my Jewelz MUA black sponge. I'll just blend this out. One thing I do love about this is that it's very lightweight and it blends out like butter. Like, I feel like you can leave this on your face for ample time and you won't have problem blending it out at all, because it's not something that dries down super quick, but it does dry down to a demi matte finish. If I were to apply it on my hand and let it dry down, but look at how beautiful that blends out. This is giving very natural cosmetics. So I'm taking my Jordanaticia Cosmetics double or duo powder, and it comes with a pressed powder and also a loose powder, but I'll only be taking the loose powder. The shade that I did pick up is Half Baked, and let me quickly set under my eye. Some were saying this is a dupe to the Charlotte Tilbury, so let's see. That does blend out like butter though. Look at that. Look at that. And this smells so nice. Look at how flawless that is. I really admire that, I'm not gonna lie. Just for the purpose of this video, I feel like I'm gonna go in with the brightening just under my eye only. And once again, this is the color, and it's Half Baked. I did go and purchase the Colored Raine bronzer because I saw this beautiful YouTuber using it, and trust me, it looked amazing on her skin. I can't remember her name, sadly. But this is the Colored Raine bronzer, black owned brand, and this shade is in Sienna Bay, and it did come with a brush. So this is priced at $16 US, and with the brush it came for $20, and with shipping that $20, but I didn't have to pay customs, which was good. And this is what the packaging looks like, and it comes with this round sleeve, and this is the shade right here. Swatching it for you guys, and this is what the color looks like. A beautiful color bronzer. How to get it, and it seems very pigmented right off the bat. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie, so far I love this color. And I love this brush because it's very precise with its placement. Make sure that is well blended in. And whatever is left over on the brush, I'll do my forehead. But I don't like to do my forehead when I'm wearing lace because it does mess up the lace. This color is very beautiful. Like, it's giving a very natural bronzy vibe. It's still bringing a lot of warmth to my face, which is the purpose of a bronzer. It kind of reminds me of the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty. This one has a good dent in it. So this one is colored Raine in Sienna Bay, and this one is Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty. So you can see that the colored Raine one is a bit more warmer in color. So this is giving life. This is giving me life, like super soft, super buttery. I am enjoying that for me. Yeah, so I just mix the powders like this, and then I just go like that. And I'm just gonna brush off the excess powder. One thing I can say about the under eye powder that I placed last is not a powder that I will let sit, because I don't like to have extra work to be blending out. I'll definitely stick to the loose powder more than the other powder, because I like how smooth that I applied under my under eye. And the Charlotte Tilbury powders are my all-time favorite. Like, nothing has beaten those powders for me. Nothing. Highlighter, I'm gonna take my Doll Beauty highlighter palette, and this one is the Hall of Fame highlighter palette. And I think I'm going to take Shine Bright. I'm using my Peaches and Cream brush in PC17, taking Shine Bright, and just blending this out. I legit love this highlighter. It's very buttery. And very blinding too. A bit of blush. I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury blush, and this one is in Pillow Talk Intense, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just gonna apply that right here. And to spray my face, I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Nothing has beat the setting spray, but her face products be giving. For lip liner, I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in 3 Intense. And for lipstick, I'm gonna take my favorite lipstick, and this is my Huda Beauty matte lipstick in Last Night. This is my go-to. Okay, so I'm not sure if I want to keep this matte or glossy, but I'm gonna finish my under eye and be right back with the finish. So guys, I am back with the final results of today's look using my makeup haul. I'm loving it. It's time to go outside. We're able to go outside, so why not show up and show out. So this is the final look. Yes ma'am. Hope you guys are loving it as much as I am. So thank you for staying tuned for today's video. We've now reached the end, and if there was any particular product that you've seen in this haul that you like, in particular that you would love to pick up, just comment down below. I love building conversations with you guys in my comment section, so jump right over to that section. Bye.